Are you struggling getting affiliate commissions? If you're a beginner to affiliate marketing, I hate to break it to you, but if you want to start seeing success fast, you're going to have to leverage social media for traffic. Not just social media, but specifically short form video content from what I call the big four: TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest Idea Pins. All have their own algorithms, but when leveraged properly, can catapult your brand and business into the stratosphere. Comment down below which social media site you're using to grow your online business and why. And if you watch until the end, I'll show you how you can get my instant content cookbook that you can use over and over again so that you're not left with creator's block. Sure, when you're getting started with affiliate marketing, you can use paid traffic or you could start a blog. But let's be realistic here. We're starting affiliate marketing to earn money, and we don't want to wait 12 months or 50 blog posts before we start getting consistent commissions. Here are the facts. You could choose any product on the planet to promote, but if you don't have targeted traffic that knows, likes, and trusts you, then you're probably not making very many sales, right? Speaking of sales, if you want to learn how to build a real affiliate marketing business, then you should consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell notification so you never miss an opportunity to have me help you move your business forward. I hate to break it to you, but social media is no more an optional marketing channel now. It's one of the biggest referrers of traffic, and you should care about social media traffic if you're serious about your affiliate marketing business. You have already probably heard that getting social media traffic is easy. Just post a few times on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest, and the traffic is going to pour in. I'll be honest with you, it's not that easy. Every algorithm on every platform operates differently. Figuring it out can take a really long time. Yes, it's very possible that you can get a piece of content to go viral, but to get real results, you're going to have to spend a lot of time and effort in learning how each algorithm operates to do it properly. Bottom line, social media traffic depends on your content plus the engagement of your audience. Focus on increasing the content on your pages will subsequently increase the sharing of that content. You should always create great content that is worth sharing. Never compromise with the quality of your content. Be authentic, add real value, and the sales will follow. Your ultimate goal is to educate and entertain, also known as edutainment. The majority of posts that I've seen go viral in the last year have had these two elements. So before you hit post, ask yourself, is this the piece of content going to spark curiosity and bring value to my ideal customer? In fact, the secrets to social media traffic lie in creating amazing content. So work your best to make your content share-worthy. Don't forget to use incredible headlines as a hook so people will watch your content until the end. Watch time matters. With any video-based social media platform, if they find real value in the content, they'll help you get the expected results by sharing that content. But hey, only good content won't work unless you set up your posts right. Usually, each social network has a different type of metadata or hashtag strategy. So don't just copy and paste your content everywhere. Make sure that your video SEO or search engine optimization is correct so that it will show up perfectly in the feed, especially with Pinterest and YouTube. You also don't have to be on all of the social media sites. Select a few where you know your customers spend the most time. Create predictability and follow a regular posting schedule because consistency is the name of the game with affiliate marketing. Once you're on a daily posting schedule, it's important to understand if your visitors are loving your content or not. You can do this easily as your analytics can be quickly referenced to allow you to fix what isn't working immediately. Don't spend all of your time on just sharing. Focus on engagement too. Always give your audience a reason to like, comment, and follow you. Subliminally, they will just take that action just because you said it. So these are some of the key points that have helped me grow my social media accounts and my affiliate marketing business in 2021. And if you made it to the end and you want my content cookbook, just go to futureaffiliatepro.com/cookbook and I'll send over the PDF. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.